vlogs here. So today we're going to be working out. I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. I may take you guys and show you like just a few workouts that I'm going to be doing. But yeah, you guys, so that's what we're doing today. And then I also want to work on a vision board because, you know, I'm the type of person that I want to plan out the next year, not like wait till January 1st, not no New Year's resolution type thing, just more so this is what I see for myself, and this is how I'm going to execute it for the year. So I want to get some things written down, and I also want to get a vision board. I'm going to do a vision board either between today before Thursday, let's just say before Thursday. So I'm going to show you guys when I do that as well. But yeah, you're going to go to the gym with me. Your girl is trying to get fine, okay? Trying to lose some weight. I need to do some cardio because yeah. And if my voice sounds different, it's early, y'all. Like my voice, I be sounding like a man in the morning. But yeah, so you guys are gonna come with me there. I may do a clean with me because my room is kind of junky right now. So I may do a clean with me as well. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the fit that I have on, and then we're gonna go to the gym. This is my little fit. I'm just trying to really work on my pudge and then work on my lower body, get that back popping. But yeah, so this is what I have on. I know it's like an up and down clip, so I will you know, edit it and make it look better. But yeah, so this is what I have on today to go to the gym. I have these little slippers. These are my house shoes. I got them from Miss Lola. I will link them below as well, and then I will link the set. This is the Move set from Women's Best. It fits so good. I'm gonna put my little waist trainer on. So yeah, let's just go to the gym and ignore my room. It's a mess, y'all. It's a mess. Y'all see this? My eyes are like, I don't know, they're running so bad. And I don't want to sound like I'm like, if you've been watching my videos, you already know about my room. But I don't want to sound like I'm like super complaining or anything like that. But girl, I could barely take a picture for my thumbnail because yeah, my eyes won't stop running. So if you have any suggestions, I do wear contacts and I need to stop wearing them for so long. I try not to wear them over like 2 weeks because I have them monthly, but I try not to keep them in for over 2 weeks because they do affect my eyes. But I feel like something is going on because I've never had an issue with runny eyes, and I've had clients that have issues with runny eyes, but I don't know, sis, help me, because this, y'all, this is out of control. Now I'm about to cook dinner for the day. Today is Wednesday the 7th. I want to say it's the 7th. But let me take this makeup off because this is looking worse and worse as the day goes on. As the more I talk, I feel like it's looking worse and worse. So I'm going to take my makeup off. I'm going to show you guys what I'm having for dinner because I am eating healthy. So I'm going to show you guys that. And then, yeah, we're going to close out the vlog. Well, this will be it for today. I am vlogging from my phone just in case anybody was wondering. But if this is your first time here, girl, hey, girl, hey. I don't usually look like this when I have my makeup on, but if you listen to the first part of the vlog, you will understand. So, you know, don't judge me. But yeah, I'm about to take my makeup off, cook me some dinner, and then I'll check back in with you guys later on tonight. Everybody knows that Sunday is like the great time, like the perfect time to start off your week. So make sure that you get things organized and ready for next week so that you can accomplish what you want to do. And you can tell when a girl gets her nails done because all she's doing is like, yeah, talking with her hands. That's me right now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna check back in with you guys later when I'm not looking crazy. As you can see, my lace is looking lacy. So I'm gonna check in with you guys later. Who is that? Who doing this outside my apartment? See, this is why I got to go. I cannot wait till I move out of here, y'all. I cannot wait. And that is the end of the vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I didn't do much in this vlog, so hopefully the next one, I don't think it's going to be one this upcoming week, but the week after that, hopefully I'll be able to film some content and be able to show you guys what I really be doing, because I really just go out to eat, work, and work out, and work again, and go out to eat and work out. That's all I do. So yeah, if you did enjoy this little mini vlog, I guess you can say that, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, set your notifications so that you won't miss a slay or vlog from your girl. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm about to get in the bed and lay down, okay, because your girl is tired. I had a long weekend, and now I'm just gonna be like writing down some things for the week so that I can get my week planned out, so we can have some content so I can have some content for you guys. And yeah, just focusing on what I want to get accomplished this week. So I'm just gonna vibe out in my room. I got my little lights going in the back of my bed. They probably look ghetto, but I like it, okay? Ghetto, but I like it. But yeah, I think that's it, you guys. The next video, y'all should be seeing like 3 videos from me coming up. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.